Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Azkis videos mas karo is kath ozone layer, depletion and pollution. This is important video. The ami question ch maximum time yiwan different exam mas. Magar ös wucho yis ozone layer depletion ch at pet chase banamit one liner type of questions ताकि यम करनो तो हेल्प शबाश वक्तस पे हेकन यम तो क्या रिकॉल गसित तो तुम हेक्यो तम साथ अख करेक्ट आंसर दित अस वुचो यह ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन तो पोल्यूशन यह ब्याख अख लेक्चर डील करान इकोलॉजी एंड एनवायरनमेंट सत शबाश गोनुक क्वेश्चन अत मज ओजोन लेयर इज लोकेटेड इन विच लेयर ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर शबाश यह क्या स्ट्रेटोस्फीयरस मज लबन समझ आया यानी कि एटमॉस्फेयर किस कत लेयर मज कोस लबन ओजोन लेयर दैट इज स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर इथे क्या दोम एट व्हाट हाइट इज द ओजोन लेयर कंसंट्रेटेड शबाश इन एटमॉस्फेयर आई विल रिपीट दिस एट व्हाट हाइट is the ozone layer concentrated in atmosphere so that is 20 to 35 kilometers. Beak government in the year 2005 shaba who discovered the upper ozone area of Tibet plateau samajha sevan that is GW Kent Murray. Beak who discovered the upper zone hole in the Antarctica shabash that is Joe Foreman, Brian Gardiner and Jonathan Shanklin. Beak Montreal Protocol is related to which issue or pollutant that is preventing the depletion of the ozone layer 1987. Beak gases responsible for degradation of ozone layer. खबर कत लट सवाल आमुत आवा ते कह समझ गो अथी सो क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बनस हेलोजन नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड ट्राइक्लोरो इथाइलिन बेक हेलोन 12111301 एटसेट्रा. What is the unit for measurement of ozone layer? That is Dobson unit. Usage denotes DU. What is the size of respirable microscopic particles floating in air? That is less than 5 microns. How do biodegradable non-pollutants enter the environment? Anthropogenic pollution. Air pollutants that are directly mixed with the pollutant source in the air are called primary pollutants. Primary pollutants kam goi secondary kam primary pollutants mas directly emitted from fossil fuel and consumption. Volcanic eruption factory ammonia sulfur dioxide nitrogen dioxide carbon monoxide oxides of sulfur oxides of sulfur या oxides of nitrogen carbon particulate matter methane ammonia chlorofluorocarbon toxic metals such as cadmium lead copper which are products of the industrial processes. Yim kya man primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants at ground level ozone smog POP यानी POPs persistent organic pollutants. Shabash. What type of pollutants are peroxyacetyl nitrates यानी PAN ozone and smog. I will repeat this. What type of pollutants are peroxyacetyl nitrates, ozone and smog? That is secondary pollutants. Ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by French physicist Charles Fabry and Henry Shabash Boson. ये क्या अत मज क्या इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या वन लाइनर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यम हेकनो ते पगह एग्जामस मदद करित. Shabash. Which air pollutant dissolves in the hemoglobin of the blood more quickly than oxygen? At carbon monoxide. Which inorganic nutrients such as phosphate and nitrates dissolve and enter the aquatic ecosystem? They lead to which phenomenon? That is eutrophication. Which industry laborers are most prone to shabash cytosilicosis disease? That is cement. Which are the most important factors responsible for the decoloration of Taj Mahal? Nano-sized carbon airborne particles, automobiles, vehicles, air pollutants, acid rains from factories and oil refineries. What effect does acid rain have on the soil? I will repeat this. Shabash, what effect does acid rain have on the soil? The soil's pH value is reduced. Gases responsible for acid rain, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide यानी NOx. Effects of acid rain. क्या washes protective film on leaves, stunts plant growth, raises the level of acidity of water bodies, deteriorate limestone and marble buildings and monuments. Which disease is caused by living in an environment that is rich in asbestos fiber, that is asbestosis. यह सोन वीडियो यह क्या वन लाइन टाइपर दैट इज कॉल्ड ओजोन लेयर डिप्लीशन एंड पोल्यूशन अथ मुतलक वन लाइन टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन तो यह लकुट मकुट वीडियो मगर अस एक्सप्लेन कर कहें क्या यह सिर्फ वन लाइन टाइप कि अस दोप कि तुम मा गो तम सात रिमाइंड मा गो तम सात तुम कह ऑब्जेक्टिव अम सो यह हेल्प कर थैंक यू